The Odisha Medical Services Association, or OMSA, has announced a one-day work boycott on July 1, coinciding with International Doctors' Day over the government's failure to fulfill its 10-point charter of demands. OMSA President Dr. Kishore Chandra Mishra said the association had held discussions with the state government on January 9. During the meeting, the government assured doctors that all 10 demands would be addressed within 3 months. However, nearly 6 months have passed and the promises remain unfulfilled. Expressing disappointment over the delay, OMSA has decided to intensify its protest. Dr. Mishra stated that if the government does not fulfill the demands by June 30, doctors across Odisha will go ahead with the planned work boycott on July 1. The announcement has raised concerns over possible disruptions in healthcare services across the state if the impasse remains unresolved.
January 9 तारीख दिन आम एग्जीक्यूटिव मान सहित माननीय स्वास्थ्य मंत्री, स्वास्थ्य सचिव, अतिरिक्त सचिव, स्वतंत्र सचिव माध्यम रे कथबार्ता होता जे आम 10 दफा दाबी को सरकार 3 मास भितर पूरण कर जनवरी 9 रु जून 9 5 मास सर 6 मास पड़ा आम धैर्य सहित अपेक्षा करूँ किंतु आम बर्तमान धैर्यच्युति घटी एवं 26/4/2026 जो संसार साधारण अधिवेशन एवं आज जो कार्यनिर्वाही बैठक एवं कार्यानुष्ठान कमिटी होता से निश्चय देवे सरकार को बहुत समय दिगला तेणु सरकार आम दाबी जदि जून 30 भितर पूरण न करेंगे जुलाई 1 तारीख जोटा गोटे पवित्र दिवस डाक्तर अंतर्जातीय डाक्तर दिवस से दिन आम सरकारी डाक्तर ओडिशा ताकू डाक्तरी कार्य करूँ नहीं।